Alright, dear friends, last time we did 8 pieces brocade. The first movement, lift the sky, remember. Up, pushing, open. So today we're going to practice, shooting eagle on the both sides. So hands cross, shooting eagle on the left and the right. Okay, please follow me. So first we change to a horse stance. Okay, apart legs, more than shoulder. Then cross hands, open, pushing your left hand, open, like pulling like a bow, pulling. Cross hands, back to the middle, then pulling your right hands, open. So cross hands, inhale, open, pulling the bow, exhale, inhale, exhale. So if your legs strong enough, so you need sitting a little bit lower position, open, building your strength. Even feeling tired, you can stand a little bit higher, practice, easy. So now, inhale, exhale, for coordination, your breath with your hands, breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. So I always suggest you practice outdoor training, fresh air. It's great for your health. Okay, so wish you remember this movement and keep practice. So I see you next time. 谢谢。